Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you NIDA Youthful Formula Cream Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer review. So, NIDA Youthful Formula Ultimate Moisturizing Cream is a Korean-made face moisturizer built around hydrolyzed collagen, niacinamide, Centella asiatica extract, and hyaluronic acid. Now, the brand positioned it as an all-in-one formula addressing multiple concerns at once: hydration, elasticity, brightening, and moisture barrier support. Now, in a single step, full ingredients also includes glycerin, squalene, and several fermented ingredients like rice fermented filtrate and bifida ferment lysate, alongside the featured actives. Now, it's fragrance-free, oil-free, paraben-free, and formulated to be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and is manufactured in a certified facility in South Korea. Now, how to exactly use this product here? Now, you need to apply it as a final moisturizing step in a skincare routine, typically after cleansing, toner, and any serum or ampules. Take a small amount and spread it evenly across the face, the neck, and per some listings, and gently patting here until fully absorbed in your face. It's designed for daily use, morning and night. Now, as for the pricing itself, now the product comes in a 3.38 ounce 100 ml tube here, commonly priced in the $10 to $15 range through various authorized retailers. Now, with the brand's own site and others showing similar pricing here, so it does show, or it's being sold on other platforms as well. Like, for example, it's being sold on Amazon as well, if you're going to check that. So pricing may vary. It also is sold through general marketplaces like eBay and similar price points. Now, the brand's official site states 100% money back guarantee with 30 days for purchases made directly through their page. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.